How to add EBT card to Sam's Club app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can add an EBT card to Sam's Club app. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, you can directly head over to the Sam's Club app and then go to the checkout section after you have purchased your products from and use the Sam's Club app. So all you need to do is under this payment method, when you reach over the checkout, you'll be finding add an EBT card option right here. Just go ahead and tap on it. You can find that option under the payment method. Tap on add an EBT card. After that, under this add an EBT card, you need to enter up your first and last name. After that, your card number and tap on save. Once that is done, you will be finding the payment method being added under this section right here. Your EBT card has been added. All you need to do is go ahead and check mark this EBT paste right here, this option right here. After that, go ahead and check out and verify your PIN. Continue with the process, and you need to enter up your 4-digit code in order to make the transaction with your EBT card. So that is how you add up your EBT card to Sam's Club application. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.